Hey Siri, Netflix and chill. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm actually doing a video in response to a question someone had asked me. So on my Instagram, I posted a video of me saying, hey Siri, Netflix and chill. And you saw my lights change from the bedroom. They went from the evening setup to a red color, and then my TV room the main lights turned off, and then my LEDs came on. It's so much simpler with Apple's HomeKit than it is with Google Home. I'm gonna now show you a screen recording of how I've achieved the Netflix and chill scenario. I'm now on my iPhone 11 Pro, and we're in the HomeKit app on the iPhone. And as you can see here, I'm in the home section of the app. This is, and everything here is all the favorites. Because I don't have many products, I just have access in the one page. However, simply if you wanted to go to the different rooms, I can click on rooms down below. And all you do is simply swipe left or right to change the rooms, and you can see all the different products that I have, and you can simply turn on and off. So if I go to in my bedroom now, I can just tap the lights and they're off, or tap them and they go back on. If I wanted to adjust the dimming, if I hold down, I can now then just drag down to adjust the brightness. I can go up or down. I can change the color. Again, if the bulb has that compatibility, I can change that. And simply just press the X at the top and it will go off. Now, if I go back to the home screen, you can obviously rearrange the tiles. If I click on the home at the top here, I can edit the screen, and then you have the classic jiggling tiles, which you can then drag and drop and just change things as they go. And then just click done when you are done. You can add, you can see the bedrooms. When you click the home icon, you've got the home settings and room settings. So you can see all the different accesses here, hubs and bridges that I have. So if I click on that, you can see I use Apple TV to connect everything. And for the bridges, it's for the Lutron light switches. You need the bridge in order to control the lights. And to go back out. And simply all I've done, if I go scroll to the right, I have a scene called Netflix and Chill. And if I tap that, that actually just adjusts all the light in one go. So if I click into this, you can now see the different smart products that I have activated. So within this scene, I want my bedroom lights to turn on. And if I click onto this, I can then change the different settings, what brightness I want, what color I want, what level dim I want kitchen lights to be, whether the main TV room lights need to be on or off, my LED strips, whether to come on. Those aren't smart, but I've made them smart with a plug. And again, you can delete the scene, including your favorites, etc. And these are the various scenes that I've created, and it's all similar. Again, if I go to the home, if I just hold that down, it's now reflected the changes I want when I'm home. So obviously my lights are going to be on 100%. I don't need my LED strips or anything like that, etc. If I go to the automation section at the bottom here, these are all my automations that I have running throughout the day, whether I've enabled them, disabled them. I obviously try stuff out and then I can disable them and come back to them later. Because of Apple's geofencing, so using the phone's GPS signal, I am able to not have to touch scenes or buttons. I can essentially leave my apartment and then the scenes adjust accordingly. So there's no point wasting electricity. The lights will turn off if I leave the home. So you can see here, when anyone leaves home, if I click on this and I tell it to run a scene. So already I don't have to click individual products. I can create a scene. And if I click on that, it will say everything is off, but leave one, maybe a night light on or whatever it may be, minimal. And then the same for when I'm coming home. I even have two options here. I have one during the day and one in the evening. So if I arrive home during the day, then it runs the home scene. If I arrive home in the evening, then it runs the evening scene. That way, they're not full brightness. It can adjust according to the time of the day. And that is how easy it was to create a scene. You just create the plus icon, and then you can see you can add an accessory, which is really simple because with Apple HomeKit Pro devices, there is a QR code which you scan and then enter the 6 or 8 digit pin, and it simply connects straight away. There is no additional steps. And with a scene, if you click on add scene, you create the name. So I'm just going to write here test, and then all the accessories that are in your home you can just add. So I'm just going to put one here. I'm just going to click the outside light. You click add, and then you can add it to your favorites if you wish, and then click done. So if I scroll to the right now, you can see that scene is there, and I can run that test. And I actually didn't set it properly. So if I go into this, I can now say, if I click this scene, what do I want my outside light to do? You can either be on or off. If you want to remove or add an accessory, you just simply click on the button here. I can untick this, and let's say I want my kitchen lights to be there instead. So now in the main lights, I can set it to be, okay, if I click test, set my lights to, let's just say 69%. I'll click there, click the X, and then it's done. So now if I click this button, my kitchen lights will turn 69%. Now this doesn't control the other lights. It's just controlling the main lights. If I wanted to control 2 devices, you simply add the other devices. So now I want my bedroom lights to also come on, and my bedroom lights I want to change to, let's say, blue, and I want to have it at 50%. So now if I run that scene, my kitchen lights will come on and my bedroom lights will turn blue. And that's how simple it is with Apple's HomeKit. Now I want to achieve the alternative to Apple Scenes within Google. And I was looking for ages on this, and the only thing I could think of was routines. And if I go to routines, and yes, I'll click on, for instance, bedtime, and it's already given me suggested actions. But if I want to add an action and I want to click on adjust home devices, I'm assuming, adjust scenes. So add smart devices. So I'm just going to put in kitchen lights for now. Okay. I don't know how this is going to, oh, okay. And then that's no. Is it me, or is this really challenging to, how do you add something? Like, I really don't know. Like, why is this so complicated? You saw how easy it was Apple. I managed to do this straight away. And with Google, I'm already struggling on how to add a scene and achieve the same effect. Those are lights. That's just turning on and off. Settings. Like, I really... Where is scenes? Is scenes not here? Is there no alternative? Set up a device. I would have thought it'd be here. Even if it go to this plus sign. This routine. Adjust home devices. Adjust lights and plugs. So I'm going to click done. Okay. And I click on this. All right, we're getting somewhere. But let's say kitchen lights. And I want to turn on, and if I click done, but that doesn't, some of these features are really weird. Okay, so that's done. That doesn't make any sense. Is this done? I don't know. I have no idea what just happened just now. Did that save? Why is this so complicated? Like, I don't understand what Google, why isn't this easier? Apple make things easy, and with Google I'm struggling. I know I'm not experienced with this, but this is why Apple is more intuitive in comparison to Google. I'm going to leave it there because the video is going to be too long. But if you're experienced with Google, please show me how I can achieve the alternative to Apple Scenes. Disappointed here, Google. And there you have it. I showed you 2 screen recordings, one of Apple HomeKit's app with all my devices installed, the scenes set up, really easy, really intuitive. And then me trying to mimic Netflix and chill scene in Google Home app was a struggle and was not intuitive. And that is why I prefer the Apple ecosystem. So if you would like to achieve the similar effect, you're welcome. If you have Google Home, I'm sorry. If you are experienced with this and you know, please comment down below and say, this is how you do it. And I would appreciate that because it's good to learn as well with the different ecosystems and to be able to share the experiences with one another, depending on our preferences. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video was informative. If you can give my video a like and please hit that subscribe button as there will be more content on smart homes. And I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day, everyone.